Nigerian dwarf goats are the ones to keep. If pasture is limited and terrain is steep, they don't grow tall, 2 feet at most, producing milk for which we boast. Over 6% butterfat, half a dairy breeze, and perfect for your homestead needs. They are friendly goats that can be bred year-round, with the cutest kids ever to be found. They're a low-stress breed that are easy to raise. Through weeds and brush they will blaze. So if considering goats for your small farm needs, consider NDG's one of the finest